Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can fix SEO errors using Perplexity AI, which is extremely helpful for improving your website ranking, fixing technical issues, and optimizing content. Make sure that your Perplexity interface is updated so you can use the advanced reasoning and focus mode. So yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing that you will have to do is open a new thread. So just go ahead and look for the thread option. So it should be somewhere right here, but it really depends on the version that you have. So yeah, just go ahead and click new thread if you haven't yet. And what you will have to do after clicking a new thread is you will just have to paste your SEO record. So you can paste something like your Google Search Console errors, your page warnings, a specific URL that you want analyzed. So yeah, you will just have to type it here, and then you will type the analyze these SEO errors and categorize them. So yeah, and then you will get categorized SEO issues, and then Perplexity will sort them into technical SEO, on page SEO, content issues, mobile issues, performance issues, and all that stuffs. And then Perplexity AI will basically help you to tackle everything in order. And then, of course, you could also ask them for exact fixes, like give me step by step, for example, give me step by step solutions for this each issue. So yeah, again, it will show the correct meta tag formats, missing alt text, sitemap corrections, and basically all the stuffs that may have gone wrong. And yeah, you could also ask for updated copies or HTML. And if you need rewritten content, you could just ask them something like fix the schema markup, write new alt text for these images, and yeah, and then Perplexity will output a clean, ready to use solutions. And yeah, that's basically how you can use um how you can fix your SEO errors using Perplexity AI, and it's really fast, accurate, and perfect for website optimization. And yeah, you just gotta explore so that you will be able to actually access all of its features. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, and have an awesome day.